Technopark is coping with times of crisis by strengthening synergies between strategic partners, companies, academic researchers, and the public sector, spreading an innovative spirit and encouraging community initiatives with involving young talents.
To keep it simple, rely on your strengths, but don't get stuck with your predefined agenda or plans. React quickly.
Resilience takes practice, and now this is an excellent time to do just that. Going in a free fall does not help anyone, so we should accept the things over that we have no control and think creatively about how we can adapt the window of change.
Don't stop. Adapt, but keep up the pace. Don't cancel, reset, and continue.
Our people share one home. Cooperation is what we need most. I hope we can work together to make a better future.
Persistence, flexibility, and confidence in the future.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Be proactive. Ask for your tenant companies to cooperate and contribute to the park's sustainability and reinforce your science and technology park key role for a green and digital economy.